Can you see my beautiful orchid? A friend gave this to me. I have no idea what to do for a poor little orchid. I do know, though, it looks a little root bound, which tells me it might like to have a little elbow room for its roots. Hi, I am Joyful J, where I enjoy life, and whatever I'm learning to do, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I just got home from Lowe's, where I bought some orchid potting mix, and if I understand right, it's going to look like mulch or like bark. And I bought some orchid food. Yeah, I want to keep my orchid pretty and happy. All right, so I have these baskets. This is going to be my primary basket that the orchid's going to go in. This is a liner. It's just a dishwasher pod box that I'm putting here. So it's going to be a double layer, and I may get some moss or something and put around here at some point. I don't have any right now, but my primary focus right now is to get my beautiful orchid into this basket. To protect my counters and to contain my mess, I have a big tray. All right, let's get to it. I have already opened it. Make sure I have the right stuff. So I'm going to fill it about half full because that is about where, maybe have to take a little bit of it out. I think I'm going to be good. I might make a little divot in there. You've got to talk nice, little orchid. I'm doing this for your own good. I know it's going to be kind of rough living for just a few minutes, as I am. But it feels like I'm just being a little rough with you. I don't mean to be rough with you. All right. Sometimes when I repot things, I bust open those roots. But, this has like a potting mixture. I'm going to leave that in there, but I'm going to let it breathe just a little bit. I am going to set that right in there. I'm going to have to take a little bit of mulch out because I want it to be a little bit below my basket, which is why this comes in handy. So I wish I had two cameras. I do not. All right, I still want it a little bit lower. All right, I might reposition my camera real quick. This is how much mulch I have in there. These roots are already relaxing a little bit. And now I'm going to fill mulch in around. And I'm being very gentle, very gentle. And it's helpful if I pour the mulch into my container and then just put it in by hand. I think my orchid is going to be absolutely happy. Happy orchid. I think it's going to be a very happy orchid. I'll have to keep you updated on the health of my orchid. I like the smell of the bark. And I guess orchids don't like direct sun. They like sun. My windows face the east, so my dining room has a lot of morning sunshine that comes in. I'm going to call that potted. All right, let's put it together. All right, it is planted. Look at that. Look at that. All right, now next I am putting my water catcher in here and then and there it is. There is my orchid. I'm going to put it on my table so you guys can watch. Oops, let's put it like that. There's the orchid. It gets to look out over the water every single day. All right, thanks for stopping by. I am Joyful J, creating joy, living life, and bringing you along the way. Bye.